تحاولي على الوسط. بدري عليك زفيني على الوسط على استمتع التجاوز. موجود فيها.
Hair is very nice. It's for painting. I don't know. Adi. Okay, I'm asking permission. I'm asking to Madam if Adi to make video here inside. Oh, you see? Ayun si Grace. Oh. Hello, Grace. How are you, Grace? Oh, hello, Grace. Very nice. Yeah. To some Madam, if you have children, if they want that they learn how to do it, so you can visit this one. You can search, I don't know the name of the, what is the name of the garden. Ayun si Ate sa kasitin. Si Sisi at saka si Atos. They are cousin together. And Dodi also. With Dodi also, you see. Very nice. So you can visit her if you want. You can come here, some children of Baghdad. You can visit her to make friends. It's a daily activities to learn their knowledge. Okay, how to do it, to make a painting. That one is their materialist. Material to make it. Ayan ang mga statue. I'm here in the mirror. Ayan o. Ayan si Chris. Ayan si Chris in the mirror. Hello, how are you? Shout out to all of us. Okay. The camera is ready. Very nice. Very good. And the printer. It's very nice talaga. The printer. And just make video like this one because there are some children also. Just sleeping. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. She is crying. Ay, naku, ayan yung pati. It's okay, Adi. Si Dodi. Oh, Dodi also. Oh, ayan si Madam. Andyan si Sisi. Sisi. And that is both that one Asus and then they are brother. And they are cousin. Madam Madam Shims is the sister of Madam Nor also. Ayan sila. Ayan. Hi, hello. That's what only I do. Oh, ayan o. Because I'm not coming here every day diba? Okay, so it's Grace. Double because it's cold. Oh, you see? It's very nice. Come and visit. I don't want to focus there. The face because maybe it's mamnuk. So just make the attention to outside. Here inside Jesus. Hey, just have to make video. Try. You see here, it's very nice. You make it double. You can enjoy it. Tapos ginukok ko ilaw bawang. See? That one is outside. Outside or inside that one? Oh, because the mirror is the plus. It's reflects. It's reflect pala. Oh, it's reflect. I'm looking a video from outside, but it's reflect pala of the mirror. Ay, naku po. Okay, so I'm looking something to buy. You see, it's very nice. Okay, so I say thank you once again. That one is elevator pala. Thank you for watching. Oh, they have also this one, the same in the Philippines. So you see, oh, they have also there. Okay. Yeah, because there is river here. Okay, so say thank you for everything that you are giving, share, and time to watch my all Simply videos, and to all that you are spending time to watch my short video, and for still naman, grabe ang pronounce ko, still you are still watching in my videos, in my short videos, and you still connect in my beginning of my social media in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and to all viewers, to all subscribers, to all supporters of my YouTube channel. Thank you, and sir, aroy may